Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, Kronos. 200 new stars today. Financial time series forecasting models typically treat price data as continuous vectors and struggle to capture the discrete high-noise structure of market movements across different assets and exchanges. Kronos reframes OHLCV candlestick sequences as a language modeling problem by first quantizing K-line data into hierarchical discrete tokens, then pre-training an autoregressive transformer on 45+ global exchanges, creating a unified foundation model that generalizes across diverse quantitative tasks without per-task architecture changes. This approach lets you fine-tune a single pre-trained model for forecasting, classification, or anomaly detection on any financial instrument, eliminating the tedious feature engineering and domain-specific model design that consumes most quant research time. Number 4, DS4. 3 out of 4 new stars today. Dwarf Star is a local inference engine purpose-built for DeepSeek v4 Flash and PRO, letting you run frontier open-weight models on a single MacBook, a DGX Spark, or a cluster of older GPUs that vLLM no longer supports. It exploits aggressive routed expert quantization and compressed KV caches to make 128GB laptops and 512GB workstations viable platforms for long-context multi-user serving. The engine is deliberately narrow, not a general GUF runner, with Metal, CUDA, and ROCm backends, tensor/pipeline parallelism, and micro-batch decoding all built and tested together for a specific model family, which yields practical throughput numbers like 120 TBLARS aggregated generation on 8x L40S cards. Number 3, System Design Primer. 237 new stars today. Most system design resources are scattered across blog posts and videos, making it hard to build a coherent mental model for designing scalable architectures. This repo consolidates those concepts into a structured study path, directly addressing the system design interview rounds that now gatekeep senior engineering roles at most tech companies. It stands out by pairing conceptual overviews with concrete work solutions and Anki flashcards for spaced repetition, so you can move from passive reading to active recall and interview-ready fluency. Number 2, DeepSeek-Reasonix. 883 new stars today. Reasonix is a DeepSeek native terminal coding agent designed to eliminate token waste on long-running sessions by exploiting DeepSeek's prefix cache for stable, low-cost context. It ships as a single static Go binary, configures everything via TML, and extends through MCP-compatible plugins, all while smartly pruning stale tool output to keep the model on track. The project is open source, cross-compiles to 6 targets, and offers a bilingual Discord for setup support, making it a practical, zero-cost alternative to expensive AI developer agents. Number 1, PDF Inspector. 1,699 new stars today. When you're processing thousands of PDFs, blindly sending every document through OCR is a waste of compute and money. Roughly half of all PDFs already contain extractable text. This library gives you a fast, local decision engine that classifies PDFs in under 50 Ms and extracts text with position-aware layout analysis, so you can route text-based documents straight to your pipeline and reserve heavy OCR for the scanned ones that actually need it. It's built in Rust with bindings for Python, Node, and WASM, has 0 ML dependencies, and outperforms alternatives like PIM-UP-PDF for LLM and Markdown on reading order and table extraction benchmarks while running an order of magnitude faster.